Let's make an eggplant and anchovy mojito. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the eggplant and anchovy mojito. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Return to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. On one of my earlier mojito videos, I asked a question: what is your favorite flavor mojito? And a viewer, Sunny5731, commented anchovy and eggplant. I'm 99.9% sure that was a troll. However, it was interesting enough that I thought, maybe? Especially when my friend Gnome over at Gnome's Tavern, I'll link his channel down below if you want to check that out, he did a oyster-infused vodka. And I thought, I suppose you can anchovy-infuse a rum. And then in conversation with my other friend Rob, over at Rob's Home Bar, again linked down below, he said you can make a syrup out of anything. And I thought, eggplant syrup? Anchovy and eggplant mojito. And what really nailed it though is when I was looking up recipes online and I came across a lot of dishes that were eggplants and anchovies. And they looked pretty good. So I thought maybe that could actually be a drink. And the eggplant and anchovy mojito was born. A note on the rums. I will be using two rums for this drink. Number one, I'll be using Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods because this drink really does not deserve anything better. The second thing I'll be using is my anchovy infused rum, and I do have a recipe for this on the channel. Feel free to check it out, link down below if you'd like. We are going to be making this drink with a glass, and we're going to start by putting some mint in the bottom of our glass. I've got about 8 to 10 mint leaves here, and I'm just going to drop them in. Then I'm going to put lemon juice on top of that. Normally for mojito I'd use a lime juice, but because this is anchovies and anchovies has a fishy taste, and when you get fishy fish at a restaurant, you get lemon to kill the fishiness of that fishy fish. So we're using lemon juice for this mojito, and I'm going to put 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice in the glass. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Then 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of our eggplant syrup. And again, the recipe is here on the channel. Feel free to check it out. Link will be down below or at the end of the video, or both, really both. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, I think I said that. Normally when I make a mojito, and I do have a recipe for mojito here on the channel, again, that link will be down below if you want to check it out. I need the jigger still. Normally I would muddle at this point, but because we've got this anchovy stuff, I'm going to muddle it with the rums and this other stuff to make sure it gets thoroughly mixed. Let's start with the infused rum. This is breaking my heart. Let's start with the anchovy rum. And that anchovy rum I'm going to put in only a 1/4 ounce. I have tried up to a 1/2 ounce, but it tends to get really fishy, and I don't enjoy that too much. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. If you want to try more, feel free to try more. Now, because I'm going for 2 ounces of rum in this drink, I'm going to put in 1 3/4 ounces of my Trader Joe's white rum. 1 3/4 ounces is 52.5 milliliters. Now I can set this aside. And I'm going to give this a muddle. Fill the glass with ice. 1 too many. And top it off with club soda. And I'm using a Schweppes. Use a club soda of your choice. If this was a regular mojito, I'd leave it like this because you get the gradation, a little bit of it. Because we've got the anchovy stuff in there, I am going to do a light stir to try and pull some of those flavors up and get the club soda down below. Add a straw and a sprig of mint. Wake it up. Pop it right in there. You could add a lemon wheel or a wedge if you'd like as well, but I'm just using the mint today. And that's it. The anchovy and eggplant mojito. Drink with good spirits. That's not nearly as bad as I feared. But I am tasting that fish. Question of the day. What is the oddest flavor of mojito you'd love? I don't know that I wanted to give you this challenge. What odd flavor mojito do you want to see me do on the channel? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, check out the social media links down below. Contact me through the social media links and we'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at those social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do all that sort of fun stuff. Oh my gosh, that anchovy is getting to me. Finally, if you made this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything I do, and until next time, cheers.